Hello everybody, welcome to Woodlands Farm. Come and have a look at the garden, it's looking rather splendid. Yes, the box hedging could do with a bit of a trim. Look at all those amazing daffodils. Come on to the lawn. Well, here's the folly. If you look up, yes, you can see the Welsh flag flying, lest you're in any doubt where we are. Ah, look. The horse has a headdress. Clearly Craig's been busy with the narcissi. Hello Morty. You're going to get out of the way? We've got Blossom to look at. And a few daffs, of course. You swoop through the blossom, it's everywhere. Absolutely glorious. Don't you just love the sound of running water? It helps one forget all the troubles of the world. The black reflection pond showing up the beautiful cherry blossom. A little of Craig's floristry, I see. Hello Sydney. Shall we go up? Now, doesn't that look inviting? Nothing better after a hard day's labour than to sit and admire the fruits of all our labours, ideally with a glass of wine in hand.